The history of herbs. Mint. According to Greek mythology, Mentha, who was beloved by Hades, the king of the underworld, was transformed by Hades' jealous wife, Proserpine, into the plant we now call mint. Thus began the age-old history of one of the most common herbs known to man. Highly esteemed for many centuries, varieties of the mint species originated in the Mediterranean, and although the exact distinction between species is unclear, it is estimated that 13 to 24 species exist. Mint's reach in literary history dates back to the Bible, where Jesus, in the Gospels of Matthew and Luke, references mint in his discourse with the Pharisees. Mint is also mentioned in the Icelandic pharmacopoeias of the 13th century, and in the late 15th century by the playwright William Shakespeare. Mint was originally used as a medicinal herb to treat stomach aches and chest pains, and was also used for whitening teeth. Known in Greek mythology as the herb of hospitality, one of mint's first known uses was as a room deodorizer. The herb was thrown across floors, and stepping on mint helped to spread its scent throughout the room. And ancient Greek warriors rubbed mint on their arms, believing it would make them stronger. Mint was also widely used by Native Americans, who used mint in a mixture taken as a cough syrup and made a tea from the dried leaves and stems to treat gas. Most eastern woodland tribes boiled mint and inhaled the steam to help relieve head colds, congested lungs, and bronchial and sinus conditions, a practice still held by many today. Menthol for mint essential oils is an ingredient of many cosmetics and some perfumes, and is also used in aromatherapy, which may have clinical use to alleviate post-surgery nausea. There are several uses of mint in traditional medicine today, and preliminary research touts its possible benefit in treating irritable bowel syndrome. 3 of the most popular mints are peppermint, field mint, and spearmint. In modern times, peppermint is preferred in the West, while the Chinese prefer to use field mint and have done so for at least 1,000 years to treat fevers, flu, colds, nosebleeds, diseases of the nose and throat, snake and insect bites, and nervous disorders in children, while spearmint is utilized in Europe, from Iceland in the west to southern Asia in the east. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs, brought to you by Dherbs.com.